Hello everyone, welcome to Sujitra's online reading channel. In the last episode, we saw Krishna abducting Rukmani, and everybody is furious over it, especially Jarasandh. Let's see today's episode, the war and the wedding. Jarasandh was furious. He roared at the kings, "Did I appoint you here only for shouting? Go and chase that cowherd. I want Rukmani back at any cost." Till then, Balarama had reached the spot. He said to Krishna, "Brother, Jarasandh's allies are giving a chase. Move ahead while I shall deal with them." Soon a fierce battle arose between Balaram's army and Jarasandh, Shishupal and their allies. On the other side, Rukmi was more concerned for his sister. He charged ahead after Krishna vanishing chariot. Balarama did not try to stop him, as he knew that even with Rukmani in his chariot, Krishna could easily deal with Rukmi. He kept on battling fiercely against the armies. Jarasandh knew that Balaram would win. He said to Shishupal, "Let us retreat, Shishupal. Balaram and his army are too strong. We cannot deal with them. Rukmani is lost to you." Shishupal could not contain his grief. He felt as if someone had abducted his wedded wife. Jarasandh tried to console him, saying, "Shishupal, don't be sorrowful. Right now, their time is on the rise. We shall certainly defeat them when luck turns in our favor." With hatred in their hearts, Jarasandh, Shishupal and their allies returned to their respective capitals. Meanwhile, Rukmi had reached near Krishna's chariot. The daring act of Krishna had enraged him. When his chariot was just a few meters away from Krishna's, he shouted, "Krishna, stop at once." Krishna was ready for the attack. He was getting ready with his bow and arrow when an arrow of Rukmi hit his armor, but it did not harm him in any way. Krishna shot two arrows, one after the other, that killed the horses of Rukmi's chariot. Then with an arrow he shattered the chariot as well. Rukmi hid behind the debris of the chariot and lifted his bow when another arrow of Krishna came flying and broke the bow to bits. Rukmi, mad with rage, picked up his sword and rushed towards Krishna. Krishna shot another arrow which left Rukmi holding his sword only by its hilt. Having no other arm left with him, Rukmi stood there looking around helplessly. Krishna, with a sword in his hand, rushed towards Rukmi to separate his head from his torso. When Rukmani came running to him and fell at his feet, she said, "O Lord, please don't kill my brother. Have pity on him and spare him." Krishna helped Rukmani stand up and said, "Dear, for your sake I shall not kill Rukmi." Krishna then shaved off half of Rukmi's hair and moustache, as no other punishment could be greater than this for a warrior. Till then, Balarama had also reached there. He was horrified to see the scene. He said to Krishna, "Krishna, what you have done is an impious act detested by our race. You should not have done this at any cost. It is worse than killing a warrior." Balaram then said to Rukmani, "Sister, please don't be sad. Your brother reaped the fruit for his own actions." Then he freed Rukmi, who decided to build a new city for himself, as in this humiliated state he could not return to his own one. Krishna made Rukmani sit in the chariot and sped fast to Dwaraka. After a few days, Krishna got married to Rukmani with great pomp and show. That's all for today. Hope you enjoyed today's episode. I will come up with the next episode tomorrow. Until then, see you. Bye bye. This is Sujitra.